Where's a lot of honey? As the concludes do little, I can go first.
I'm not quite sure what time. Or 3 or 4? Maybe right after we're done here, okay? Okay. Go. We're done.
And now, for the second in command. Oh, that's me.
Coconut, do you put it in the refrigerator? Or are you just drinking it at room temperature?
I was just drinking air. Well,
And now,
it's kind of cold because it was sitting in the cold
me.
store, so it was cold.
Oh.
Yeah. But you can drink it at room temperature. That's the way they are and up the tree.
Yeah, it's true.
Now for me.
Yeah. So, make it with her. But I want some stuff that's inside. I don't know.
And now for me.
You guys think I can do it?
Now for me.
It's dangerous.
Yum.
Machete's a good idea.
Yeah, I need a machete. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'll bang it on the concrete or something. Bang it on the rock.
And now for the last one.
That was the
Me.
first salad, guys. Well, kudos to the Costa Ricans for inspiring
Hevel,
us
is
to
your
do
secret ingredient
the
honey?
wrong way. Bad
Yeah, I
way
kind
to
of taste
salad.
it. Yeah, we kind of do too. And yeah, I kind of do too. Yes, it is honey. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. And I knew it. You done it again. 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 And you done it again. Hevel, you belong to the greatest baking show. Sadly, you are. You have to
How does it taste like? It tastes delicious.
to be a resident in the UK.
Let me try. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try them all.
Stupid rules.
I'll tell you.
Yes. And if they accept Americans on the show, you will win, Hevel. Yep. Yep, and yep.
Thai banana.
Yep.
Okay.
And
I'm gonna try them all.
hopefully
I'll
you
give a
win.
thumbs down, okay? Good, Eddie.
Go.
What's the spinner?
Eddie, you do it? Not see it.
Where you can't see it.
Belgium! Yeah, that's cool.
What is it called?
Wow,
Ooh.
cool app.
Belgian
Yeah, cool app. And cool app. And cool app.
Going to Belgium next week.
Next week.
I bet it's waffle.
Alright.
So Sandy and Cassandra.
Cassandra said, I think it's great.
It's too sweet for me. Sandy said, yeah, it's too.
Here, let me make it into a snowball.
It's now the snowball.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
It tastes good after all. And guess what? I just had surgery to get a bump we removed. Get down on it. You gotta get down on it. Get your back off the wall.